Welcome, guys. And we have the car of the day. Guys, this is your 2025 Dodge Durango RT. It's a beautiful unit. This is a 3-row, guys. And if you have one of these, you want to see these guys, because when you buy these vehicles, this is what happened. It comes with cloth, guys, and this is horrible. You can see how easily it start to stain, and it holds all the dirt. And Jesus Christ, let me show you all the wear that is already experienced right here, guys, because cloth, that's the problem that we have, especially in vehicles this nice that are being built with a custom stitch and all these kind of features. These vehicles were intended to have leather, guys, but because you kind of, the dealers wants to get more money from you guys, they put cloth, so you need to buy the next package. Who knows, it's gonna be another 12, 14, 16,000 dollars. I don't really know how much they're gonna charge you for the additional cost for the leather, guys, and that's why you don't have to allow the dealers to rip you off that way. And that's the reason why this vehicle is here with us. We're gonna be doing the upgrade for leather, guys, and this is what we're gonna be doing. This is the black wrap. This is the customer selection, not my choice. Actually, if it was to me to decide, I will put the double stitch just right here, guys. I would choose a black interior with the red beautiful double stitch, but you know, you can do whatever you want. It's your vehicle. So this client selection was a black wrap with a medium red inserts, guy. He also has perforations, piping instead of the double stitch. And I know it looks like crap right now, guys, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this kit is going to be. Guys, you want to take it to the next level. Heated and cooling. Add heated and cooling because they will keep you all cozy year around, 365 days. Now you are in a budget, guys, and if your car didn't come with it, at least get you seat heaters, guys, because you want to be cozy in your ride, especially if you are in a zone that the winters are severe. You want to have at least your heater, guys. Very important. You want to save hundreds of dollars, go to LeatherTeck.com and fill out that form right there, guys. That will allow you to get into a specialist of clients that are saving hundreds of dollars when they buy a leather interior, guys. And remember, you can get this in over 60 different colors, endless combinations, guys. And remember also, this is not your cheap throw on top of the upholstery cover. You are not hiding anything. All that cloth that is in that vehicle is gonna come out. This new kit has airbag reinforcements, just like the dealer intended to be. All the safety, all the features are there, guys, because you don't wanna put your life or your safety at risk with those cheap covers that goes on top of the upholstery. Besides, they cover the airbag. A lot of people doesn't understand that when you buy these overseas kits or overseas seat covers, what you're gonna get is a problem, because when you put it on top of your existing airbag system, you are creating a problem by obstructing the ability of the airbag to be deployed correctly. Don't do that, guys. Get a product that is certified, that is guaranteed that you're gonna be safe and your family, and don't put any of those things at risk, guys. Very important. Let me show you what else happens to these cars. Well, depends on who you are, right? But they're not really well built from factory. You can see how horrible even this kind of cloth interior with cheesy to trim, it still have issues, guys. So we're gonna do a fantastic job. We're gonna remove all this cloth, because this is what I was talking about. None of this will be kept in the car. All that has to come out, and we want to install the new leather that I just showed you here. And you can get it in over 60 different colors, endless combinations, guys. We have special editions, custom patterns, diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex. We have exotics, and you name it, got all the possibilities. We can help you. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. Like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do your beautiful installations at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys, because we are demystifying the installation process It's not that difficult. Thank you guys for watching, and look forward for those before and after pictures and videos so you can see this beautiful transformation. And if you have questions or recommendations, please put it in the comments. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.